Let's begin with creating a new page. Click the button Create a New Page. Use short and clear words for the page name. Select an icon and choose where the page will appear. Top position will insert the page in the header menu and bottom position will show the page in the footer menu. When you are done creating, click Create Page, and your new page should appear in the list of pages. To change the order of the pages, just drag and drop the page. You can edit your page if you click the pencil icon. Click the eye icon to toggle the visibility of the page in the menu. We suggest you hide your first 4 pages that are always on the screen of your app or pages that are navigated in a different way like forms or documents. And the last, the trash icon. If you want to delete the whole page, click this icon. Great job everyone! Let's edit one page and start designing in the next tutorial.